telling the time in English. Let's practice telling the time by looking at what you do every day. Notice the different ways of saying the time. Let's start. What time is it right now? It's 4:15 p.m. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7:15. What time do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Okay, what time do you start work? I start work at 8:15 a.m. What time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at 12 noon. What time do you finish work? I finish work at 4:30. What time do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at 6:45. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at midnight. Great job! We've gone through most of your day. Find online lesson plans and other resources on the ESL Directions website.